Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to play a great song that is called Another Love. First I will show you how it sounds with both hands, and then I will teach you how to play it. So that's how it sounds. Okay, so let me present you this wonderful composition. This is an easy version, so I will just show you both hands together with some explanation. The left hand starts on E with the third finger, the right hand on G with the second finger 4 times. Next, the third on A, the fourth on B. Then the left hand, again, the third on E, and the right hand, the second on G, and we repeat this G, and then both hands together. The left hand will play A with the first, here, and the right hand C with the fifth. So we play like this. The left hand will keep the note A, and the right hand repeats the fifth on C, and then the fourth on B. So that these were 2 measures. Let me repeat from the beginning. And then the third measure we play the third in the left hand, we play the third on E, and we keep it, and the right hand plays G with the third finger twice, then A with the fourth, F sharp with the second, then the left hand plays D with the fourth, and the right hand plays F sharp with the second, E with the first, F sharp with the second, G with the third, and E with the first finger. And these were 4 measures, so that was the whole first line of the sheet music. Let me repeat from the beginning. We play E with the third with the left hand, and the right hand plays G with the second twice, then A with the third, B with the fourth, then the left hand plays again E with the third, and the right hand plays G with the second twice. Then we play both hands together. The left hand plays A with the first finger, and the right hand plays C with the fifth. So we play like this, and the left hand is kept, and we repeat the note C with the right hand, and then B with the fourth. Then the left hand plays the third on E, and the right hand G with the third twice, then A with the fourth, F sharp with the second, then the left hand plays D with the fourth, and the right hand plays F sharp with the second, E with the first, F sharp with the second twice, then G with the third, and we play, the left hand plays C with the fifth finger, and then later the right hand plays E with the first finger. So that's already everything, but I would like to repeat these two lines, and in fact in the composition, as you know probably, this piece is repeated a few times. So let me play from the beginning. Very, very slowly, of course. So that was the song, Another Love. I hope that you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you very much.